Alright, today's video, trying out this FIXD app. I should start a series as seen on YouTube and Facebook. I've seen ads on this on both YouTube and Facebook. Supposedly it tells you exactly what's wrong with your car, and I already think I found the catch to this. Check this out. Find a mechanic, premium. So in order for this to tell you exactly what's wrong with your car, you need to subscribe to a membership. You could still use it, but you have to subscribe to a membership yearly, $70 monthly, $9. Let's see what this thing can actually do. So let's see if it could even scan the car. Okay, let's see, emissions pre-check. See, when I click on that, it wants me to try FIXD Premium free for 1 week. I'm trying to see what I could get for free. Like, what does this thing do for free? I think you need to be connected on Wi-Fi in order to use this. So, what if you don't, like, let's say you're on a road trip and something goes wrong with your car? Do you need data in order to use this? Yeah, I'm not getting a Wi-Fi signal right now, so I don't think it's going to do anything. Uncool. It keeps trying to sell me something. See? It really wants me to try FIXD Premium for 1 week. I'm just trying to see what I could get for free. What if I go in the house and get a Wi-Fi signal? Hold on. Okay, I actually went in the house right now so I could get a Wi-Fi signal just to see if this thing could read anything. There you go. It actually found the car. No errors detected. That's good. Okay, no errors, that's good. Okay, how about emissions pre-check? See, now it's trying to sell me. I was just testing this out real quick, but the catch is you need to be connected to the internet. You need to download the app and be connected to the internet. So you need data, or your car has to be next to a Wi-Fi spot, which I think is pretty lame. So this is very limited. And then it constantly tries to sell you FIXD Premium. So when the fancy ads, it tells you that it'll tell you exactly what's wrong with your car, like a professional scanner, which costs thousands of dollars. And I'll be fair, $9 a month is cheap, but yeah, they're trying to sell the premium subscription to you. So there's the catch right there. This is just a quick trial run. I'll do more testing on this, but we found the catch. I mean, it seems legit, but there's the catch right there. They want you to subscribe to a premium membership. This is my friend's project car right here that he's working on. So I'm going to pull the codes with the cen-tech reader and then see what exactly the FIXD does, if it's as good as the hype. Okay, I have to hold this at an angle so you could kind of see it. So this... Okay, I have to hold this at an angle so you could kind of see it. So this is getting a PO300 code. These are all misfire codes. PO300, PO301, cylinder 1, misfire. PO304, cylinder 4, misfire. PO302, cylinder 2, misfire. PO303, cylinder 3, misfire. And system 2 lean, and PO300. I think we already went all 6, so multiple cylinder misfire. So I'm pretty sure this car needs new spark plugs and ignition coils, maybe one or the other, but probably both is a good idea. Alright, let's see what the FIXD scanner does. Yo, James. I'm gonna edit a video tonight. Are you gonna watch it?
Well, it depends when you upload, so.
Oh, okay. Just watch it in the morning. Be sure to thumb it up.
That's my problem. I always forget to thumbs up videos. That's my problem right there.
Thumb it up, subscribe, hit the bell. Okay, it's all set up, and here's the catch. They want you to try FIXD Premium for 1 week, but let's go ahead and see what we could actually get for free. Here's the catch, man. They want you to... No, you don't want to subscribe. Okay, let's see what we could get for free right now. See, this thing wants you to buy FIXD Premium. Okay, so he has a Cabrio. Hey, Johnny, it actually lets you, like, pick convertible. That's kind of cool. Dude, it knows the engine and everything. And you can pick if it's the convertible. This is an Audi A4 convertible he has. And the A4, oh, it knows what you're driving. Please enter current mileage. 101,318. 101,318. So we're gonna find out.
Everything's wrong.
I'll do it myself, half and half. What do you want? Take it to repair shop? I'll do it myself. So there's a lot wrong with this. Okay, well, it's telling you, it's kind of telling you what the other scanner already told us, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. Major driving impact. Find a mechanic. No. Okay, so it wants you to buy the premium app, dude. This is pretty cool. Do you know about these, James?
No.
See, it's telling them everything wrong with this car.
Oh, sweet.
But the catch is, and you'll see it in my video, they want you to subscribe to the premium membership and it'll tell you more. Like how much it'll cost to get all this fixed. So here's a little demo. So we're just doing a little demo of this thing right now.
What is this one for? Is this the drag knob?
No, it's all the windows.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see what else. Scan. Oh, emissions pre-check. Let's try that.
If I roll down my
Oh, see, look. I want to do an emissions pre-check, and they want us to buy the app. The extra premium membership.
for 7 days.
Yeah, but if he forgets to buy, if he forgets to cancel, it's going to charge him.
I did that with Pandora. They charged me the other day. I was like,
Okay, so they won't even do a pre-emissions check for you. They want you. Okay, so that's going to cost you issue forecast. They want you to buy that too. So the free app is going to tell you basic stuff that my scanner. You know how I scanned your car earlier. So the free part just tells you that. That sucks.
What's the price on it?
$8.99 a month.
A month?
A month.
A one-time thing.
It should, right? See, so there you go. I mean, it's a quick demo. So, like I said, it probably needs new spark plugs and ignition coils. Maybe a new O2 sensor, that system lean. So, there you go. There's a demo of the FIXD app. He's going to watch my video and thumb it up later. What's that?
is my light blocking?
Nah, like I can't even see you,
You
dude.
did a video about the other thing? The other one?
Which one?
That the first one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Everybody in the video, tell me which one you think is better by the little demo he just did.
Yeah, no, I like my Harbor Freight one. I know I could pass smog with it, you know. Because this one
down below, people.
This one doesn't even tell you if you're gonna pass smog like my Harbor Freight one does.
Yeah, this one is a little touchy. Trying to get it to actually work.
Yeah, it's oh, you need to have an internet connection to use it, which, you know, I would think it would like Bluetooth. You know, so there you go. That's the catch with FIXD. It seems pretty cool, but you gotta pay to get the cool stuff, it looks like.
Breakfast burrito.
Cold breakfast burrito.
I just warmed it up.
Alright, my friend wants me, here's some bonus footage. My friend wants me to listen to his car, but I already plugged it in the scanner for fun. Go ahead, start it up. Let's listen to it. See if your car is healthy. Oh, that's horrible. All grindy. But the idle's okay. I don't know what... That might be your starter grinding, or... When's the last time you got smogged?
Oh, dude, I can't.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna find out right now if you would pass your smog test. This guy, he's my coworker and also my friend, and I appreciate him because he actually watches my video. Did you know, my friend of 20 years, I took his kids to the mall and got them ice cream, and all I ever asked was him play my YouTube videos on a playlist. He couldn't even do that for me. You know why? We were chatting on Facebook, and I'm like, dude, could you watch my videos? And he said yes, but he didn't because I saw no thumbs ups. Dude, your car's healthy. You would pass smog, my man.
Oh, sweet baby. What's the air? Oh, yeah.
It's not. It's like these are not applicable. There you go. I have it.
I don't have the water that shoots up and cleans the windows.
It's okay. You would pass smog.
Oh, I know, but that stuff's good.
I
tried putting it in and it
that's
just
okay.
goes straight
Your
through.
car just has, might be the starter all grindy. Okay. James wants to learn about cars. You want to learn about cars, James? Oh, I like that, man. I like that attitude. I do not know where the ignition coils are on this thing. Okay, that's the O2 sensor. That reads your exhaust. I know. That little sensor right there. Yeah, be careful, it's hot in there. So that's the O2. Where is the ignition coil?
That's a good question.
It's probably under this engine cover, honestly. Put the light under there. There's the oil filter. I'm guessing the ignition coil's under this cover. Yeah.
How you take the cover off?
Right there.
They're not even screwed in fully.
You could probably like pull it out right now.
Those are plastic
how to put
too.
them back on is the real question.
For what?
It's just clips. Oh, ignition coils just pull right out. 1.8 turbo.
I'm about to get this thing tuned up. It's gonna be purring like chin.
Oh yeah, no, these engines have a lot of potential. Yeah, I'm guessing it's under the cover.
I'm gonna try to find it where I can find some 95 gas.
Oh yeah, let's film that. I never used that footage.
Of what?
Look at this. Look at his gas cap
Oh, this way.
or fuel door. Look at this fuel door. Look at that. 91 octane, and you could also put in 95.
It's the third option.
Go ahead, put that light. Put that light, James. See, this car wants you to put either 91 or 95 in. Did you just say you've never heard of 91 octane?
Never. I just put it in, man. I don't
What?
put diesel though. I'm smart enough not to do that.
What if you've been putting in 91 the whole time and you don't even have to?
That would be bad.
You're like spending
I
extra
just
money.
the regular.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's 87. So have any of
That's what
you
most people do.
seen 95?